Hi team, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender and today I'm showing you how to make a Tokyo tea. I've made a Long Island iced tea, link up here. I've made a AMF recently. So while I'm on the theme of things, I'm going to make another variation on the Long Island iced tea. This is a Japanese variation, hence the name Tokyo tea, with the simple substitution of changing out the Midori melon liqueur in place of triple sec. So there are some recipes that call for the Midori to replace the tequila or replace the rum. But I'm choosing to use the Midori to replace the sugar component of the triple sec. Kind of makes more sense to me. So I'm going with the same recipe as the Long Island iced tea, doing equal parts across the board, 22.5 ml, 3/4 ounce. So start off with your vodka, add that straight in. And if you didn't watch the AMF, the Adios Motherfucker, I wasn't that pleasantly surprised with that particular cocktail. Gin, equal part. So, to be honest, my hopes aren't too high for this variation as well, but I'll let you know at the end of the video. 22.5 ml, 3/4 ounce of your rum. And last of all, your Blanco Tequila. Last of all, not quite. So bad that I'm just eager to end it. And then your Midori, your melon liqueur, 22.5, 1 ounce. Now the difference with this one, 22.5, 3/4 ounce, 1 ounce. Sorry, I've had a few drinks beforehand. I've a few Long Islands, so forgive me. This one here, I think there's going to be enough sugar content from the Midori, even though I'm just subbing that for the triple sec. So this isn't a sour mix. It doesn't have sugar in it. This is just straight lime juice. I feel lime juice works really well with the Midori. As you can see by the Midori sour three ingredient cocktail recipe that I will link to right here. Make sure you check this out because this Midori sour recipe is bang on. So 22.5 ml, 3/4 ounce. The fresh lime and Midori go really well together. So add ice to your cocktail shaker and shake it for 12 to 15 seconds and then strain it over fresh ice. It's green, very green. My second camera battery is flat, so there's a few extra jump cuts. Straight over that fresh ice. Whoa. Add a dash of lemon lime soda, lemonade, Sprite, and garnish with a slice of lemon. Simple as that. There you have the Tokyo iced tea, the Tokyo tea. Cheers. This one definitely disguises the alcohol. Probably could actually do with the sour mix, that little touch of simple syrup in there as well. I've been really bad at explaining the Long Island iced tea, the AMF, and this one because there's so many competing flavors, and it's just basically a drink that's there to get you drunk. I'm not going to dive into the flavors too much because it is what it is. But thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers. Try it with a little bit more sugar. Just 7.5 ml. I don't think I mentioned, but like the other drinks, you can shake and strain and put it into a glass, or you can just build it over the top, which is most likely what people will do. A little bit better, just that touch of sugar. Cheers.